Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can open Nickel bank account. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very simple and easy. What you need to do is just go ahead and open up your web browser, and right over here you need to type in Nickel or Nickel bank, and this will open up. So you just need to go ahead and open up this link. Right over here you'll see this open an account option, so you just gotta go ahead and press on open an account. So once you're here, they will take you to the Nickel EU portal. So this might take a while depending on your internet speed, and it also depends on region, but you just gotta select, obviously you will be somewhere in Europe, so you just gotta select somewhere like in Europe, like Belgium, Germany, or Spain, or any other countries. But right over here you do that and then press next, and also your language would be English. Now right over here you gotta prepare yourself for the following start. Your account must be non-business use, and then you need to have a valid identity card, just like an ID or Belgian residence permit or EU or EFTA passport, a mobile phone, and then your phone's camera or a webcam. You can also add a BPaid customer or BPost promo code. If you don't have it, just go ahead and press on open an account in 5 minutes. Right over here you gotta put in your Gmail and you gotta press start. Once you do that, and right over here you'll start with your identity process. First up, you need to verify your identity. Obviously you need to be a EU citizen, so you just gotta select your country and then your personal data and then your fiscal, then bank, signature, and then finalization. Once you have everything with you, you're good to go and your bank account will be created. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.